I'm going to show you how to make the Cascading Waterfall card. So you're going to need your card base, which I've already cut and scored. You're going to need your waterfall mechanism, and you're going to need 4 squares, and I've just added toppers onto mine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our waterfall mechanism and we're going to just fold on the score lines, and I'm just going to reinforce those score lines with a bone folder. Right, I've just applied some tape to the tabs and I'm going to fold them to the back of the long piece, and I'm going to stick that onto my card. So I'll just get the sticky tape off, and I'm going to apply this towards, making sure that I've got the top score line. I'm going to apply that towards the top centre of the card. And that forms your mechanism for your waterfall. So now I'm going to apply tape to these score lines, and this will be where you put your toppers. And I would suggest that you don't make them too bulky, as they need to be able to go through the mechanism. So actually we're going to start at the bottom, so this bottom score line, and I'm going to put the square up against the bottom score line, and then I'm going to work my way up, aligning each square to the score line and with the square below it to make sure that they're straight. And your final one aligns to the top, again aligning to the sides, and that's your T-bar mechanism. And you could just punch a hole in the bottom and add a bit of ribbon.